Hi everyone, welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are going to make Sukhi sewai. This is popularly made during Eid. Take 200 grams of vermicelli. Break it into small parts. I have used thin vermicelli here. Now add 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan and let it heat well. Add cinnamon and cardamom. Once the flavor of cinnamon and cardamom is released into the ghee, add all the vermicelli and fry it on all sides. Fry it well for 10 to 15 minutes. Sukhi sewai is essentially sweet vermicelli with rich flavor of dry fruits without being overly sweet. It has a nice earthy taste. Once the vermicelli turns golden, it's time to add water. For 200 grams of vermicelli, I am adding 200 grams of warm water here. Mix well until the vermicelli turns soft and pliable. Now add sugar. We are using 170 grams of sugar here. Cover and let it absorb for a minute. Then mix to prevent browning at the bottom. Again cover to aid absorption. Repeat this twice or thrice. By now the sugar has been well absorbed into the vermicelli. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee and the dry fruits. I am using mawa, cashew, almonds and raisins here. Continue to stir on low flame. Remember that the entire process should be done on medium to low flame. Add another tablespoon of ghee and continue mixing. In about 10 to 15 minutes, we'll see that the sewai has taken a nice brown color and it gives out an earthy smell. Now we know that it's done. To make my sewai look beautiful, I am decorating it with silver leaf. Garnish with dry fruits and mawa to make it look more tempting. Our sewai is now ready to be served. Try out this amazing recipe and let me know in the comment section how your sewai turned out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.